Welcome to another tutoring session with Ms. Martin. This is math tutoring for the Engage New York curriculum. Today we are continuing work on Module 2 in the 5th grade curriculum. Lesson 12 talks about reasoning about the product of whole number by decimal fraction problems by estimating. And so this goes back to that basic skill of rounding the factors to find the estimated product. Except this time when we round the factors, we're rounding from decimal values, which is the exact same strategy as before when we rounded with whole numbers. We are just rounding with parts of numbers now. So an example problem of this is 2.5 or 2 5/10 times 51. Now in this case, because we know it's okay to estimate the value of this product, we can go ahead and change these factors to round to the nearest whole number, largest place value. So we're using that front end estimation again. So we're using 2.5, and 5 tells my next door neighbor 2 to round up because 5 is halfway or higher. So this now becomes 3. And we are taking 3 and multiplying it by 51. And if we're using front-end estimation, we know that we need to round to the furthest place value or the largest place value. In this case, it is the tens place. So now if we round to the tens place, our 1 tells us that we are not halfway or higher. Therefore, we do not have enough to round up. So the 5 stays the same, and the 1 rounds down to a 0. Now we have nice even numbers that are easy to multiply. 3 times 50, I can do that in my head. Some of your students may be able to do this in their head. But if you need to, you can go ahead and write it out as a standard algorithm and do 0 times 3 is 0. 5 times 3 is 15, getting your final answer of 150.